Okay.
All right, Connie. So what are you wanting help with?
Okay, I have this script here that that has 3 hotkeys for it, and I want to turn I want to use the preferences trigger class to allow the user to be able to change the hotkeys.
Okay.
And this code was written by Claude, so I don't understand the code itself, but it is currently working.
Okay, right now, what are your hotkeys?
The Windows right button.
Okay, so I don't see the code there. So where it is in the active one in the code.
You don't see my screen?
I am looking at your screen, but these lines are disabled.
Right, they're disabled because it's not working. So I commented them out.
Yeah,
but I do. Where are the buttons?
Mm-hmm. The Windows right button, there are some there will be some like hotkey in there, which is
there. Whoops. What happened here?
Yeah, your control button was down, I suppose. So yeah, control, scroll up, and then you will.
They're all the way down here.
Okay. Okay, so these are the functions. So you need to refer those functions. And the trigger class, when a trigger happens, it is trying to pass a parameter. So you need to skip those. And
just turn them off. Want to take control and show me what you want to do.
Okay. So what I would do here, let me request for control. And
you got it.
So I would like to, sorry. I would like to copy them all and disable them for a while. I don't know how to disable inside now.
I can help you.
Okay.
Edit. Block uncomment.
Okay, control key then. Sorry. Let me do that.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. So in here, we have a trigger class, and I want to paste what we got in there. So this function we are passing here. Okay, we are passing it here. This one we are passing, but you want to trigger these things with this condition, correct? So here we have, I think if I do align here, it is not telling me. Oh, but I can pause that. And
we could just do one and
yeah, let's just do one. And I want to go to this function where it is. So start flow here. So I would just want to skip all the input parameters. So trigger class by default sends few parameters in there. And then I want to come back. I don't know if okay, I have to go on the top, scroll down. I think this will work as expected. So if I run this tool, okay, so trigger hotkey, okay, variable has not been assigned. So the other thing is, I have to go to the folder. So I don't know if we can open the folder from here. I don't know.
Just second icon. That one right there.
I think we have get active path in your computer, correct?
Yep, we do.
So let me just close the one I have. And okay. And we will do a compulsive C. Oh, I cannot do it. Can you do? Can you hold down Control Shift C? So it will open the folder for you if you keep it down.
There's a path.
Okay. Let me just open that.
Do you want to open that folder? It's easy to open the folder. You just click on the little icon.
Oh,
There you go.
so the settings any file. I don't know if you.
I'm using it for something else, so
Okay. You're using it for something else.
it's used in the script. So
Okay.
not for the hotkeys, but for two items that the program
So
needs.
is this working now? So if I go to the script, I don't know which one is the icon. I think this one.
You somehow managed to close the program. There
Oh,
we
okay.
go. So which trigger do you want to test?
Windows right button, but your script does it load in the tray menu?
Yes. It's
Do
well,
a
it's
right.
not it's not running, so
Okay, try running it.
it didn't run.
Okay, it didn't run. So it is not showing me the error.
Well, probably you need to make the bottom screen a little larger.
Okay, let me.
There.
No function. Line does not contain or recognize functions. Line 61. Oh, this one.
Oh.
My bad. Okay. So where we are defining this variable. Oh, here. So class. Where is the class? strtmg. This one I need. So I want to move it a little bit up. And then run it. It is running.
Yes.
Okay, so can you do, okay, let me go to the script. I think it is this one, I think. If I do a
Do you want
right,
to look?
no, I want to right click on it. Can you do it?
Got to get rid of that first.
Okay. Yeah, so we got our first hotkey in there.
Okay.
Can do when right button, which is a start batch, which will start the batch. I don't know what it is, but it will. So can you try it, the hotkey?
Yep.
Okay, it is working. So okay, so let's do the other. And try this hotkey on other screens, so we will know that if it is specific to that window or. So
Yeah.
it is not triggering, correct?
It didn't trigger. That's correct.
Okay, so we are passing this variable. So So if I go to this command, I don't know if I can go there directly. I don't know. If it was VS Code, then I would easily go into it. But yeah,
We can switch to VS Code if you'd rather.
no, we can work with this one.
That's
So
Okay. It's at the bottom of the screen. Not the screen. You need to go to the bottom to get where F1 is defined. And all three of them are at the very end of the script. So we need to comment out.
I think I
Yes.
commented all the hotkeys.
Oh, okay, very good.
Okay. So we are here, and we do not need this.
We'll
So-
probably need to move two more global statements. Well, maybe not.
Okay. So what is happening here? So this command, show quick GUI, I have to skip the parameters.
Oh, okay.
And then for this command, I also need to, okay, let me select it and do F12. Okay. Process select. Okay, this one. And I need to skip the parameters. And then it will just load fine. So I have to click here, and then I got to go to the script, and we have 3 hotkeys in there. If I go to the preferences, you will see that with the hotkey, we have AHK class. Okay, there's no tab in there. But if I go to the keyboard, you will see this condition which we have in there. So this is the window. Only on this window, this Windows hotkey with the right click will trigger. Oh, it's saying keyboard, but yeah, they are kind of a combination. Okay, so with the trigger class right now, we cannot combine keyboard and mouse, I suspect. So if I do a right click in there, you can see it is not sensing
Right.
it. So if I do A or B or something, then it will gonna replace the right click. I think we have to somehow figure that out. How can I combine mouse with, okay. So this is Windows right button. I have to go to the mouse and Windows right button. Okay. So why I was having this issue?
That's an issue with your script and not mine, though, right?
Okay. So triggers for line, any hotkey. We are looking for hotkeys. We are trying to disable that. So if we open trigger AHK in the next folder or next tab, let me open.
Let me do it for you.
Okay, thank you.
There
Okay.
you go.
And if I scroll down, so we have this add mouse. So we should have used add mouse instead, I think. So this is mouse. This is a hotkey F1, and this is also a mouse. And if I run that, and if I go to the preferences, so this is mouse, and if I want to modify that, it is telling me the right button and the windows. And if I want to do a keyboard, then I have to click the keyboard and it will give me the keyboard hotkeys, and which is not selected yet. So when I cancel that, it returns to the mouse. Okay, so this one you can also change to the mouse. If I select the mouse and try to do any button, I think it will just work fine. So if I hit apply, okay. Yes, the request to key section was not found. Why we are having issue? Because we are not saving it at the first run. So when I run it, oh, it is debugging now. I run it in a debugging mode. I have to stop, run it normally, and go to the preferences and hit save. I think at once I have to do it. So I have to fix that thing. So whenever I run first time, so let me change it to mouse, Windows, and middle button somehow, and hit apply. Yeah, now it will work because it tried to disable the previous hotkey, but as we haven't saved our settings, so in the ini file, the ini file was empty, and now you can see this ini file has other things. So it was trying to change the mouse F1 hotkey into the mouse, but it haven't happened yet. As soon as I hit apply, I think, where is the, yeah, as soon as I hit save, and this hotkey will gonna change. So new location value, it is called show quick edit GUI. Show quick edit GUI is a new location value. So it has it, not the title, this F1 it is. As soon as I hit save, it's gonna change to the mouse. So if I remove all of these and hit save, and now we do not have any saved settings. So when I run it, and when I run it first time, you can see the default hotkeys. So these are the default hotkey, but you cannot modify them. They will throw error. You have to save it first. To fix that, I think we have to apply the triggers. So I know that, so I have to fix that thing, and I'm gonna fix that. So when we finish menu, we do that, but when in the finish menu, we should apply the trigger. So this is the apply trigger command. So how we call it is when we finish menu after that. Right now I am doing it manually. Dot apply settings, apply triggers. Okay. So if I save and run this, and now you will see that it already have all the default hotkeys. So it is just a first run and it has all this. So let me just remove it, hit save, and run it again. As soon as it runs, it will just modify the ini file, and your ini file
Good.
contains all the information. So that was the issue. That's why we were not able to change the hotkey. Now we can easily change it. In the preferences, if I go to the mouse, I can select Windows and I can say, yeah, give me this button, and I hit save. And if I go to the ini file, this small middle button, M button, is set. And if I reload my script, and if I go back, this has been changed. To make it default, I have to delete the ini file, but in your case, I cannot do that. I have to remove these labels. So I should be marking this label related to trigger. So it should say trigger underscore label, triggers underscore hotkey, and triggers title and the dropdown. So I will know which one to use. All right, now I can just delete them and reload your script, and it will have all the hotkeys default. You can have all the default hotkeys in there. And the ini file is updated too. Okay, so this is fixed for you, I suppose, and you can try
Yep.
them.
Yeah. That's an ACC issue.
Okay.
It's a problem I have with the program, but not the key itself.
Can
And
you,
the other,
if you explain the issue, we can try to fix that.
okay, I'm hitting the hotkey for this, which selects this,
Mhm.
and it's supposed to click the edit button, but it didn't find the path. If I do this first, which brings up this little menu, and
Mhm.
because the key that I want to press is invisible. Let's see, how do I get that back? I need to change
Yeah,
this. There we go. Cancel. And now let me try it again. I'm hitting the hotkey. See, it clicked at it this time, and then it brought up this menu.
Mhm.
So it worked that time. So for some reason, ACC didn't find the element.
The edit button element.
Probably, yeah, because you notice when it worked fine, it highlighted the edit field. And when it
Mhm.
failed, it didn't do that. It posted an error message.
Okay, so there is a possibility that the path, when the first you run this tool, the path is different, and then you hit the button and the path change, and that path work for you always, I suspect.
I suspect that's it, because this screen is a child of the previous screen. Does that make sense?
Okay.
And so you have to get a whole new object after this screen is brought up so that it can find that particular path to this element. The program is supposed to do that, but my suspicion is it's a timing issue.
Your program is having, so your program is a one GUI and it has child GUIs in there. So they're called child windows and they cannot get
Right.
out of the main window. And we can replicate in this behavior in AutoHotkey, you know. So we can create window inside a window and we can drag it. And as we try to drag it out, it will cut and it will hide. So it seems like it will feel that it's inside this window.
Right.
Okay,
I,
so
I'm willing to trace this problem down without your help.
okay, no problem.
I think the lesson learned, if we can go back to the script.
So first thing first, we have to skip all the parameters, and which I should mention in the trigger class. I think in every video I mentioned that, but in the script I don't know if I or remember if I mentioned that.
And the other thing you had to do was move this global statement.
Yeah, so you want to move it down?
No, you moved it to get it to the program to run for some reason.
Okay, so this variable is a condition. So this hotkey will always run on this window with this class, correct? So
Correct.
we need this variable in here. What we can do here, we can move this thing down right after defining this, or we can. So defining of the variable always happen first. So these are all global variable, and here you should use the trigger class. But it was way down there. I don't know if how would you like that? But I remember I grabbed this variable from here. So what we can do here, we can move this on the top, I suspect.
It doesn't matter where it is to me. I'm just trying to figure out how to use the trigger class, how to implement the trigger class into an existing script.
So,
And
sorry, so you were doing hotif with this window condition. Remember you were doing hotif in the end, we disabled the hotkeys. So your hotkeys
they're
all
at the bottom of the script.
work
Right.
on program. So independent hotkey all function work standalone. I think that's why. So this condition can be used, hotif condition here. Here you pass it and it will just. So do you know what does true means?
No.
Okay. So when we right click on here and you make true for this thing. So if I click it, it will start the action. But for this one, it will bring up the preferences. So you make it true. So this function will get triggered whenever you in the menu. So you are enabling the launch, I suspect it is called a launch the hotkey or something.
Yeah, I don't want it to do that. Yeah.
And Any other issue you were having in there?
Well, let's turn the glow, the one that let's turn that off, and I want to see what the error message is.
Oh, okay. So you want to turn this global variable
Off.
off. Okay. So now it is not being used. So and
Oh.
run. Oh, I again click on the debug aspect. Okay, let me run it again here.
Well, so it ran fine.
Yeah, it's run fine, and you can test the hotkey.
I don't have the application up and running.
But
Oh yeah, I do.
okay.
Yep. That one hotkey worked, so I assume they're all going to work.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Well, I might as well.
So
Oh,
you were
that's
set.
interesting.
What happened?
The Windows. Oh, I didn't remember the right key.
So there's a Windows left button and the Windows
There.
right.
Okay. Now it brought up the child, and now I'm going to hit the third hotkey, which is to select this item right here. So that's Windows left button. Is it say that's where I get the error message? You see that?
Yeah. So first time, so you need to use a UI inspector when you create this window first time, and then and store it somewhere or take a picture and then inspect this window again after creating the other window. When you hit the edit button, that window will be created, and that will, I think that will move the edit button location, so it always not gonna work first time for you. On second time it is working fine for you, I expect.
Let me try it again.
No, it will not work until you hit the edit button manually. So you hit the edit button and close that window, and now it will work fine for you guys. You see?
Yep.
So the path for UI path for this edit button is changed after creating that window, and you are using that path. But when you run this tool and create this window first time, okay, it is timeout for some reason.
Probably that's it. I think that has to do with the load. What else is maybe Zoom or somebody else? It just see it worked that time. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
So does that make sense? There's something it wasn't able to do it in a timely manner.
Mm-hmm.
Let's pick another one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's working. So close this master event list and open it again. Open this master event list again.
Oops. Okay.
Now try your hotkey. Okay, it's working. So you need to rerun your program And then I think you will have that error. So that error is not common. It is only first time, I think, when you run your program. No, not this program, the other one.
Oh, me restart the
Oh,
application?
let's try it first. So you reloaded your program. Let's see what happened. I think it's gonna find that button. You see? So you need to reload this program. Our script is
Which
fine.
one? The script or the program?
Not the script, this program. You need to reload
Okay.
it, restart it. So
Okay. It's restarted.
okay, now try to automate that button.
Okay.
So this window is created now. So this edit button path is changing. So right now, try to automate that. I suspect it will not gonna find it. You see?
Right.
So even though you try multiple times, it will not gonna work unless you hit the edit button once, and then it will gonna work. You see?
Yes.
So I have this kinds of issue in multiple programs that can be fixed by using a dynamic path. Like we dynamically point to this button even though the path is changing, and that's how we approach this button every time. Or we have two paths, so when we run it first time, we try the one. If first didn't work, we try the second to get the element. So we do a try statement with two paths. That would be very easy to do.
Hmm.
Okay, so I want you to go to the location where you are trying to get this element.
In the script.
Yes.
Mm.
It's your F1 function. There are so many edits.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of them in there.
Mm-hmm.
But I thought maybe I could find where it referenced the path, but
Oh, which hotkey do you press, by the way? Go to the top.
uh
So this Windows left button.
yes.
Okay. So we need to select this and hit F12. So if you hit F12, yeah. Now you need to remove the E in the end. I don't know why there is E. So this should give me this function and I click on it. I go to right there into the function. And now I
Okay.
want to look at the message that when it doesn't find the button, it shows me that message. So the message is element not found. It is not in here. Yeah, I think this is no. Opening selected event for editing ACC click method. I think this function is doing something. Hmm.
Actually, all the activities reported in a log file. It might be easier to look at the log file.
Okay. So where is the
What?
log file then? You can open it, I think.
Okay, this is the path that's not finding on.
Okay. So we have to go down.
Access and the edit button at
Confirmed.
that path, and it found it.
So let us find this text in our script.
Okay.
It did not. Okay. So let me.
That's interesting.
Okay. Step 3. So this is the path, and where we are using this path. Object 41 child length. But in the message box, we are hard coding this.
It's a variable defined in a mappings earlier in the program.
Oh, so
I have 10 paths that it looks for.
okay. So let me go there. And
There you go.
Okay. So we have this path. It says 4116.1. 4116.1. There's no 16 in there.
That's interesting.
So okay.
Oh,
So
no, that path is probably for the edit button.
okay, so let's find other buttons. There is no path in there. So let me copy the path. So this thing, we copy it and we try to find it. So find first. Okay, this is hard coded. This is also, yeah, this one is. So we are not using any variable for this one.
I'm sorry.
We
You're
are,
right.
yeah, we are trying here. So edit. So if there is no edit, we do a false in there. Okay, and then we try to get the name and we cache unable to read. So this try statement is failed. And then we try the next path. So let me create, this is a variable. Let me create a variable for this one. So 905. Okay, let me go to the top. Should I add it in here? Or should I?
No, that's part of a map. So
Okay.
no, edit there.
Or should I create a variable in here? global what window is this? So this window is called master event list.
Right.
So master event list. Everything is capital.
And it's the edit key.
So
Edit key.
edit key.
Yes.
Okay.
A button. Enter button. And
Edit
let's verify. Maybe
pod.
we want
Okay, so let me go next. And then so accessing. So here we access it. So we would do a variable in here. Okay, let me just make it bigger one a little bit. So yeah. And then we also use it here. And then we use this variable in here. Okay, I don't know if we are using this somewhere else. So find next. Okay. So we are using it at multiple places.
all of that is text. We're not
Yeah.
we're not really using it. It's for reporting purposes, but yeah,
But we can make it dynamic, but we would do it
sure.
here. Okay, so this is the path, but now I want to restart your program. So let me start it and capture the path for this one. Okay.
You want to look at the path for that particular item? Yeah.
It's taking so much time and it did something. Oh, you're moving mouse, I suspect. I clicked on it.
That's okay.
I think that's the button. Correct? Oh, it changed.
That's because you didn't stop exit capturing. It's thinking, see, it's pretty slow.
Yeah, it's pretty slow. So it is constructing again.
Okay, now hit an escape key, or I'll do it.
Okay, I
There-
did. So we have
Okay.
this path. So right now, this is the path when we use this button, and then this path becomes this. But what is the fresh when we restart your program? So should I close it from here
Sure.
and hit no, I expect?
Correct.
Correct. Okay. And we want to run this again. I don't know. Do you know where to run it? Okay, in the taskbar. Okay, we need to message master. Oh,
I can bring it up without using the script.
okay. Script is running.
Tool, master event list.
Okay. So if I try to capture this,
You got to do the F1 over here first.
okay, can you do it, F1? Okay, it
I
is.
did. It's still 4.1.16.1.
It is 15.1.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, it changes. When you hit this button first time, then the location change. That happened. So now the button will change.
That is very interesting.
Yeah. So now if you inspect it, it will become 16. So 15 is only
No,
the
what? No.
no, it is loading, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah, your program
yes.
has so many child windows. So
Ah,
that's why it is
so
taking.
so I should do check both of them then.
No, I think you check the 16 every time, but when it is not available, when do the 15.
That's interesting.
Because it is only once. 15 is when we restart the tool. So let me just close this thing. It's taking so many space or process, I think. It
I
is.
prefer to use UIA, but it doesn't work with this program.
This is ACC?
Yeah.
No, ACC is not simple.
UIA crashes the program.
Oh, because UIA creates dumps for every window, and you got so many, and that's why it is kind of having issues.
Oh,
So you
Is it to prevent it, Irfan, from dumping all the windows?
I don't know. I have to work with this program personally so I can figure out why it is happening. I don't know if I can
Yeah,
find
it's
this.
okay. I was just curious. Yeah. Yeah, I remember
yeah,
that was what, a year ago, Connie, or maybe more. We tried, and I remember it crashing when we first started
right.
looking at it, and it was locking up.
You could get a trial version of the program if you wanted to test it, but it's only
You got something pretty close to working right now, Connie, right? Like,
yeah,
yeah.
that's right.
So
Okay, so we have to create another copy, and I don't know. So I would say first path. Or
Yeah, that's fine. First pass. First pass path. First PASS path. Which
first, it will make it longer.
yeah, it could. The name's not all that important.
Okay, so we're gonna use it either way. So I'm gonna use it on 905. Okay, let me go next. Okay, so we try here to get this button, but this try statement fails. So we do a catch statement. Right after try, we can do a catch. I think you know that.
Right?
And in this catch statement, we're gonna repeat that.
But we're gonna use first pass path.
Yeah. Ah. Okay. Windows V, I expect this one. Yeah. Copy, paste. So edit button object.
Look at the first try though. It's got a return false in there.
Okay, so I have to need to do another log. So step three, try step 3. Okay. But this time we will do this variable. Accessing edit button, confirm path. Again, I think. And this time it will work for you, I think.
What? But wait a minute. Line 911, return false. Do you want that in there?
Oh, okay.
We don't want to return if it fails, right? We want to do the catch. Is that correct?
Yeah, we want to do the catch. But we have to throw error, I think. And that will cause the catch.
Okay.
But let's stop here. Oh, let's try it, I think.
Okay.
So I run it again and I minimize that.
Oh, I don't think it ran.
Oh, it didn't?
We didn't get the warning message.
Okay.
Go back to.
Yeah. Yeah, this one has yeah, the code issue. I minimized the whole program. So if I have to,
Connie, are you running the error capture tool?
No, it's not currently running.
Yeah. Well, I don't think it would have picked up on that error you just saw, by the way. We noticed that this morning. We updated it. And Irfan had a good idea to add a hotkey to toggle it error reporting. So you don't have to, you can just, yeah. So that was a good call.
okay, so it is
What?
running. Oh, wow. Why? I just saved it.
Still didn't run.
Oh, I just removed that. Unexpected.
That's because of the return, I think.
Okay, let me go there.
913. There you go.
So we are doing try. So
Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Yeah.
oh yeah, is unexpected because that try statement is too long.
Right.
Yeah, and you're catching here. Oh, okay. So I think we do not have to do so we have to do it here without the catch. Ah, what happened?
Control Z.
I cannot do it. Control Z. Undo manually. Okay.
I did it.
Okay. Okay. Remove. Ah. So when I do a backspace, it is doing Control Z for some reason. Oh my. I think your control or something is down. Can you remove this line 19? Because my backspace.
This one, take that out.
Yeah. And line 9112 and 911. Yeah. Okay. So Okay. So this button is null path. Then we try this one. And then we get this object. If that also fails, then we return false. So we are not doing a try catch. So if I run this, it is running. And now you need to restart. So I can close this if I'm not wrong.
Correct? Oh, you got to do the other close first.
Oh, okay. Okay, now we have to run it. You can run it and try if that error is fixed. So it will work first time for you. And it will, and then we're gonna check it should work for the second time.
What?
Something happened. It is running. Your hotkey is Windows right button.
That's the right button. Oh, guess that's not what I used. Terrible hotkeys. I can't remember what they are.
Now you
Okay.
can right click. Oh, that happened. Okay, can you try again? Hit no and then try again. Okay, can you show me the code again? And do not click on it. So we have to, otherwise we have to run our tool again. Okay. So when we do a try statement, where that message yes or no we get, I think this is the message. Oh, okay. That's so far. Okay, so we tried to get this button. Did we try that again? Can we see the log? I think. Let me go to the log. Go to the end. Did we do a try again? How we are appending? Are we appending to the top?
No, it's at the bottom.
Okay, the bottom.
It's a
750.
progressive log.
Okay,
Edit
so
open failed. You see that?
we're the step 3. We haven't reached the step 3. You see? We haven't reached the step 3. So we haven't reached here. So that message comes before. So here, I think we are having this message. Selection failed for it. Yes, no warning. So insufficient children at level 41. So it should be less than 16. But now I want to know. Okay, now I want to copy that. And I want this count. Okay, so I want to run this again. And I want to, yeah, can you use that hotkey? So we will see the count in the message if I'm not wrong. Yeah, count is 15. So you see that we have to make it. So we have to make it 15. So if it is less than 15, then we're gonna trigger that message. So now it will work for you, I think. So can you try it? Oh, no, not try the hotkey.
I did.
Okay, hit OK. And then it's gonna work because we're gonna try it again, I think. Okay, can you try it again? Okay, so this is, what is this message? Error, child index 16 is out of bound. Okay, out of bound. So we are looking for 15 and the 16. So button access failed, child index 16 is out of bound. Okay, where is this message? So I do not need this line because we did the count. So we pass this message, and then there is another message. Okay, so we are checking for 16 somewhere. I want to see the logs. Okay. So 16 is out. Okay. So we tried to access the 16, but we had error. Out of bound. Okay. And then we tried again. No, we haven't tried again. So child index 16 is out of bound. So I have to find these words. Oh. Okay. Why? Okay, this one. Steer field path out of bound. But we are not doing this. We are doing something else. Okay, so what is the log saying, the other stuff? Give me a second. Hello? ना लगाई दीजिए मैडम करेगा तो तो ये इसने लगाई जो सैंपल भी गिनना हुआ है ना
Oh, I muted your thing.
I'm sorry, my wife was calling me, my
Well,
daughter.
we know who's real boss, so we understand.
Yes.
It's the message.
How's the baby?
She's doing fine, but she cannot walk. Doctor put her on the bed rest. Let me tell you about that. On the 14th of August, my father and my mother and my daughter had accident, and
Oh, I'm so sorry.
all of three got like bruises. No major injury, but my daughter had deep phone in the foot and the knee. And
She's what, about 4 months old now?
no, she's I think 6.
It's
So-
his older daughter.
Oh,
No, the older one is like
Well,
8. The younger daughter. My son is like he's 2 months now. So yeah. So we are like, I have 3 kids.
doesn't sound like much sleeping goes on at your house. You remember what that was like, Joe?
yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. We now have grandchildren, and my wife goes and visits, and then she's like, oh, it's so fun, and then she tries to sleep. She'll stay there overnight because it's kind of far away, and then she's like, oh my God, I couldn't sleep at all. The kids are yeah.
Okay, let me try it again. Okay.
Hey, that notification, Connie, that was the one I was saying that you might want to just look at it with the, instead of having the text be black, have it be white. It'll stand out a little. It's a little easier to read.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I had a hard time getting it black.
Really? That should be the default.
It Claude
Ah, okay.
didn't
Yeah.
didn't want
I
to
still-
play nice.
Yeah.
So can you try the hotkey now? So we will see the message. Message. Okay. So failed. Expected button name using 16.1. If you hit OK and wait. Okay, let me hit OK and then wait. We return. I think we.
You may do it.
No, let me check the logs. Ah, not here. Here. So we have more logs in there. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So we did a step 3, but step 3 had issue. Open edit opening field. Okay. So here it is. Edit opening field. Yeah.
Terrible code.
Is not. So we don't have this twice. Oh, but I am expecting this message after the third step. No, I am confused. So step 3 is here. Accessing edit button and confirmed path. So we haven't reached this. Accessing edit button. Okay. 906, 907, 952, 906. Okay, 906 is the first. So we try here. I think that try is failing. So I would move everything out of the try. So I would just put that thing here and put it here. Okay, so you can press the hotkey.
Let's see.
Is it running?
Is the script running?
Yeah, it is running.
Yes.
Can you try the hotkey again?
Did it get changed?
Oh, Windows F1. Okay.
Yes. Window left one doesn't do anything.
No, that's something. We did something which is not giving us any clue what is going on. I have to click this log. I cannot click. Can you click to the log? Okay. Now I think you're moving mouse. That's why I cannot do it anything. Okay. So no, the logs haven't changed. Okay. Open select child 16 is outbound. Okay.
I'll be right back. Got a bio back.
If so we are not failing here. We are not failing here either. Found element 16. Accessing button 3. Accessing button 3 confirm path. And then we have error. Edit button object is null at path. I don't know if I can do a breakpoint here. Yeah.
Would you rather use VS Code? Irfan,
Yes.
can you hear me? Would you rather use VS Code?
Yeah, VS Code would be very good. We
I
can use
haven't.
it.
I haven't installed. If you want, rather switch to it.
Okay, so let me do.
Well, it's just you want to save it first.
I think it is saved.
No.
Now we have to open a different folder. File, open folder, and now you can open that folder.
Let's go back to the other one. Can you select a file instead of a folder?
No, we need to open the folder, I suspect. I don't know if that will select the folder. Oh, okay, so your error capture have some issues, unfinished. So we can do a cancel, I think. Yeah, so what we can do here, we can leave it.
Go back to the other one and save the file first. Site doesn't automatically save.
Many my HK and this, they are all empty for some reason. And I open a folder.
Do you want me to find it?
No, we have it in our,
Oh, I left out the quote.
yeah. Okay. So we have it in here now. Okay, that's I trust, yes. Okay, so which file we were working on? The main file?
TMG.
TMG press. Oh, this
This
one.
one, right?
Okay. So, so let's see. Let me make it a smaller. Okay, so we are doing this one, quick show. And here we were doing step 3. Oh. Okay. I think we were doing Windows F1, correct?
Yes.
No. This is going to be a 1099. But we were at 900, I remember. Okay, let's do that. I go up. Yeah, there. Okay, this is our code. So we reached here and I want to debug it from here and debug that. Okay. And I want you to do a hotkey. So let me try Control F1. Control F1. Can you do it here? Oh, sorry, Windows F1, I suspect. Windows F1.
What?
What did it do?
Why is it bringing up that?
Okay, can you try it again? Oh,
That's
sorry.
there's-
Sorry, my bad. This is in debug mode, so yeah. Okay, so I have to watch for this thing. Okay, so when I do a next, oh, it's already in a big try statement. Oh my. Yeah. So we have to get out of that try statement for some reason. Okay. So I thought that I am out of the try statement. But you see, whenever we do a try statement and they catches something. Okay, so this is a big, oh, okay, this one. How can I solve that? Okay. So this should be catch. This should be try. And that's how it will be done. So we try this line, we catch it here. Otherwise, the other try gonna catch it. Yeah, that's very that's very weird. Okay, and then we also do it here. Try, and we're gonna catch it here. Otherwise, this try gonna grab that one. Okay, so I'm gonna reload that, and I think this time it will gonna work fine. So Control F1. Ah, not the Control F1. It should be Windows F1. Oh, can you try it? Windows F1 brings something else, I suspect.
It brings up native F1. Or I don't know what it does.
Okay, can you try it? I think my keyboard is like, yeah, I
Oh,
think it is working. So restart your tool and try that again. And let's look at the log first. So we have the VS, oh, sorry, side opened already in the log. If you go down, so you will see that we are, okay, we are pod, okay. Where is the step 3? Yeah, step 3, edit field. That's some weird. So we have so many, okay. So we did a step 3, okay?
right.
This path failed, okay? And then we do step 3 again. See?
With a different path.
Yeah,
Yes.
with the 15th. And this one is saying 16 because now we have to update the,
That's just a log, the message.
yeah, that's just
Yeah.
a hard-coded path. So it is saying found the element, but yeah, the path is wrong in the log. But we have it working now. So the tool is running and we are not going to reload our tool, and we just going to close this, do no here, and wait for it to close. And I don't know which one. I think we should reload that because I don't know which dialog box is this one. It will work fine. Will it work fine? Okay. Give me a second.
We're keeping you awake.
Barely.
Sorry.
I'm going to start the process now.
Mhm. So we are at the window event manager, and it worked.
Yeah,
Okay,
it did.
let's try it. So do not restart your tool. Try it again.
Pick another one.
Yeah, pick another one. Ah, it's working.
Yeah,
Cool.
I think we made great progress.
Oh,
Awesome. So you're good, Connie?
I think I'm good. Not only did we solve the trigger problem, we solved the
Right. Yeah.
additional problem.
Yeah.
So
Hey, let me show you something real quick. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, let me stop yours.
I'm going to start.
Yeah, I got it. And this is in Sight. But so if you notice here, my context menu, see how I have open file path selected with no quotes or copies RTF or copy the path of this file? Those probably should be together. Let me I can move that. But you might consider adding oh, it's not, those aren't them. There we go. So this is my, if you add this, and I sent you this code in Telegram. If you add this to your site user properties file, your normal site window, your context window will stay the same, and then they get appended at the bottom. So
Right.
you can I love this copy of file. So if I had a path in here, so if I had a path in here and I select it, I select it, and then I say open file of path, it goes and opens that file for me. Right. So that's a handy one. And then the other ones are self-explanatory, right? So I can I put it here because it's so annoying to go find them, right? The view white space and view end of line. Copy is RTF if you wanted this and go to paste it, if you want the colors. I don't think you're going to run into that one, but for me, that was helpful. But just FYI. And then the blocking of, if you're in, like we're not in the AutoHotkey. I can change it though. I can say, pretend this is AutoHotkey code. And I come in here and I say, box comment, it will block it. It will toggle it for me, but you probably already have hotkeys for that. So just FYI, I sent you those. Do you know how to get to your site user properties file?
No.
You go to the option
Well,
and then go to
yeah.
user right here to user properties.
Yeah.
And so you can just, I got 8 million settings in here. But those are ones I could see when watching Irfan do stuff with you too, like that opening of the file path. That's really, I used that one a lot when I was developing Insight.
Okay. Thanks.
Yep. All right. Well,
Okay.